Interactive Science 5. Unit 2, Animal Life. In this unit, the students will be able to study the various methods of breathing among animals, study the various food habits of animals, see the relationship between the type of limb and the type of movement, learn and appreciate the interesting phenomenon of migration among certain animals. New words. Hemoglobin, a substance in the blood that carries oxygen and gives it red color. Migration, mass movement of animals from one place to another and their return to the same place.
Varying lifestyles of animals.
Introduction. In what surroundings in which an animal lives. Unit 3, the human body. Unit 4, safety and first aid. In this unit, the student